Precision in medicine begins with precision in manufacturing. At Apex Process, we bridge the gap between digital anatomy and physical reality. To simulate the correct feel of bone for surgical training, we use a custom polymer that matches the exact density and resistance of human calcium.
The vascular system is next. These tubes will later carry pressurized synthetic blood to simulate real-world surgical bleeding.
Material science is crucial. We use varied shore hardness levels of silicone to differentiate between muscle, fat, and connective tissue. This multi-layer pouring process is what creates haptic feedback, allowing medical students to feel the difference between skin and muscle. Removing every microbubble is mandatory. In a medical simulation, an air pocket could be mistaken for an abnormality.
Realism is found in the layers. We now add a layer of soft, yellow-tinted silicone to simulate subcutaneous fat.
Integrated sensors provide real-time data. If a trainee applies too much pressure during a simulated surgery, the Apex system records it.
Each organ is cast separately with its own unique texture and weight to ensure the internal feel is 100% accurate.
The outer skin layer is the final barrier. It must be durable enough to be sutured, but soft enough to be cut with a scalpel. The reveal. A high-fidelity anatomical simulator, ready for the most demanding medical environments.
Many of our models include internal heating elements to simulate a patient's natural body temperature during surgery. Hygiene and durability. Every Apex model is designed to be used hundreds of times without losing its anatomical integrity.
Every simulator is certified for medical training, ensuring it meets the highest standards of the healthcare industry.
From our lab to the world's leading teaching hospitals, we ship our simulators with the care they deserve.
At Apex Process, we don't just manufacture models. We manufacture the tools that train future heroes. Apex Process. Redefining realism. Saving lives.